Stand in a neutral position. Rub your belly to wake up your abdominal muscles. Widen your stance. Place your hands on your hips. Drop your knees a little and tilt forward slightly at the belly to slacken off your abdomen. Assume the starting position by raising your hands up and out in front of you with straight, sturdy arms, diagonally away from your head using clenched fists. Take a light, slow, relaxed and long breath in and out through the nose as preparation. Shut your mouth with teeth together, tongue on the roof of the mouth, and your throat relaxed. Sharply contract your abdominal muscles in an instant, whilst firmly flicking all of your fingers straight outwards off your thumbs simultaneously. Then relax as quickly, whilst simultaneously closing the fists back to the starting position. Pause for a moment and then repeat the action. Air should lightly fire out of your nostrils with each contraction, and then naturally draw back in with each relaxation. This action ventilates and breathes the lungs and should replace normal breathing processes within the exercise. If there's any difficulty with the air exchange, try to relax, especially at the throat. Keep your arms held out straight the whole time. Repeat at a rhythm and pace that suits you, especially making sure you fully relax your belly before each contraction. Again. Go as strong and as fast as you feel is comfortable. Stay relaxed and loose.